There is a real crisis with elephants and ivory. Demand for ivory has never been higher, and the elephants are fewer. Scientists are unanimous that elephants are now decreasing in all 4 regions of Africa.
I have spent hours and hours watching elephants and come to understand what emotional creatures they are. They can suffer and feel pain. They have long-term supportive bonds between family members. So it's not just a species facing extinction, it's massive individual suffering.
We see the suffering, the wounding, and the mourning of elephants time and again as one after another get killed.
One of the biggest problems is the high price of ivory. And this means that the poachers are prepared to risk their lives even, because the rewards are so great. And it's tremendously important that the demand countries understand what it means with this ivory coming into their country.
And we believe that great opinion leaders who are respected can show the way. If the new generation thinks in a different way from the old generation and regards ivory with horror rather than as a status symbol, then we can change things in a big way.
We have to stop the killing, stop the trafficking, and stop the buying.
喺過去幾十年嚟，大象嘅數字變得越嚟越少。呢個係因為消費者對於象牙嘅需求。而根據2012年嘅數據，我哋基本上每15分鐘到就有一隻大象被獵殺。如果繼續咁落去嘅話，我哋10至到15年呢就會冇晒野生大象。
為大象起革命，國父後人佢最醒。
Because today is the elephant walk, and we had a conference about why we should take care of our elephants.
即啲人係唔會知道啊，原來啲象係生勾勾，俾啲軍隊去夾硬去搶去殺，咁仲係生嘅時候就攞個電鋸去劈塊面，咁去叫嗰隻牙出嚟。
其實香港有象牙貿易管制，但係每年都有好多象牙非法經香港轉到內地。佢就估計全港已經充公咗成26噸嘅象牙㗎啦。
如果佢哋能夠銷毀同埋去壓碎咗佢咧，咁係可以向到一個國際即係提出一個好清晰嘅訊息，就係我哋香港嘅政府同埋我哋嘅市民都唔容許呢一個走私嘅象牙貿易喺香港進行咯。
當日除咗有好多香港人之外，亦都有好多外國同埋內地嘅遊客踴躍支持。其實有好幾個國家經已銷毀咗，或者係準備緊銷毀佢哋充公咗嘅象牙㗎啦。海豐香港護象行動成立咗個小組，就係我哋嘅海豐小飛象啦。除咗我哋嘅小飛象成員之外，仲有好多人參與，成為象義行俠，參加我哋嘅象義行。其中仲有好多個係香港嘅名人同埋明星。佢哋仲逗留咗喺度好耐，幫我哋宣傳呢個咁重要嘅環保信息，保護大象。大象懷胎需645日，佢哋繁殖得非常之慢，同埋可以活到差唔多90歲。因此，大象係冇可能供給得起而家市場對大象象牙嘅需求。單憑2012年嘅數據，係有超過36000隻大象係因為佢哋嘅象牙而被獵殺嘅。今日我哋喺呢度向大家衷心地懇求，請大家以後唔好再買象牙。